Hello dear followers of Mwalimu Theophil Academy, you are welcome to this session. In this session, if you had any problem about momentum, especially in calculations, now this session is here for you. Listen step by step. I'm going to solve this problem for you to know the way we carry out the calculations concerning with the momentum. Our question is, a saloon car of mass 850 kg is moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second. What is its momentum? But before I start solving this, make sure that you subscribe so as to get updates when we upload any video on time. Now, let's go ahead. Okay, here we are required to calculate the momentum. You have to know that momentum is equal to mass times velocity. That momentum is equal to mass times velocity. In our question, you were given that mass is equal to 850 kilogram. 850 kilogram. Now we multiply this mass by velocity, which is 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. What do you get? 17,000. 17,000 kilogram meter per second. Now, this is the momentum of this car. So you have to know that when you want to calculate the momentum of a body is equal to mass times its velocity. But before I review, I have prepared a quiz today. Give me the SI unit of momentum. Comment below.